Welcome to Elder's Healthy Life, the perfect response when a woman hugs you. Many men fail to recognize that a hug isn't always just a simple act of greeting or affection. It can hold a much deeper meaning, serving as a powerful signal of interest, attraction, or even emotional connection. In fact, a hug can communicate more than words ever could. Understanding the true meaning behind a hug and responding appropriately is crucial in the world of attraction. The way a woman embraces you, whether it's brief and casual or prolonged and intimate, can provide valuable insight into her feelings. Unfortunately, most men overlook these silent yet significant signals, leading them to miss out on potential connections or even give off the wrong impression. When a woman hugs you, she might be subtly testing your confidence, gauging your reaction, or even inviting you to get closer. That's why it's important to read between the lines and respond in a way that strengthens the bond rather than creates distance. Why hugs matter in attraction. A hug is more than just physical closeness. It's a nonverbal form of communication. The way she positions her body, the pressure of her embrace, and how long she lingers in your arms can all reveal unspoken emotions. It's not just about whether she hugs you, but how she hugs you. The key is to recognize these signs and react in a way that builds attraction instead of diminishing it. So let's break down the 4 types of hugs women give and exactly what they mean, along with the best way to respond to each one. 1. The friendly pat hug. This is the most casual type of hug and is often exchanged between friends, colleagues, or acquaintances. It usually involves a brief embrace lasting only a second or two, minimal torso contact, a few light pats on the back. If a woman hugs you this way, it's a clear indication that she sees you as a friend rather than a romantic interest. While this might feel discouraging, it doesn't mean attraction is off the table. Many strong relationships begin with friendship, and this is an opportunity to build rapport and connection rather than rush things. How to respond. Don't overanalyze the hug. Stay relaxed and confident. Smile and maintain eye contact afterward to show warmth. Create more moments of closeness and chemistry in your interactions to shift from a friend to a potential romantic partner. The firm hug. Unlike the quick, friendly hug, this one lasts a bit longer and comes with a noticeable firmness. A woman giving you a firm hug is signaling comfort, trust, and familiarity. However, it doesn't always mean attraction, at least not yet. Signs to watch. 4. She presses into you more than just briefly. There's a secure and solid grip. She holds on just a second longer than expected. How to respond. Instead of pulling away too quickly, hold the hug for a moment longer than she expects. Observe her reaction. Does she smile, maintain eye contact, or seem relaxed in your arms? If so, it's a sign she's comfortable around you. This is your cue to continue building that connection through deeper conversation and flirtation. 3. The lingering embrace. A hug that lasts longer than usual, where she doesn't seem in a hurry to let go, is a strong indicator of deeper attraction. If her body's relaxed against yours and she presses her chest closer, she might be showing that she feels both emotionally and physically connected to you. Key signals to look for. She rests against you rather than just briefly touching. Her breathing slows down, indicating she's at ease in your arms. Her hands linger on your back rather than pulling away quickly. How to respond. Don't be the first to pull away. Mirror her energy and let the moment unfold naturally. A light touch on her lower back or a gentle squeeze can subtly signal your confidence. Allowing the hug to linger slightly longer can create an unspoken bond and deepen attraction. 4. The intimate embrace. This is the hug that speaks volumes. One where she leans in completely, rests her head on your shoulder or neck, and lets her guard down entirely. If her breathing becomes more noticeable, and she lightly caresses your back, it's a clear sign that she feels deeply connected to you and might even be romantically interested. How to respond. Instead of breaking the moment, embrace her naturally, allowing her to feel your presence and warmth. If she tilts her head towards you, she may be inviting deeper intimacy. Watch for these subtle cues. Maintain eye contact as she pulls away to further reinforce the emotional connection. The power of subtlety and confidence. The way you respond to a hug can either build attraction or make her feel disconnected. Many men mistakenly pull away too soon or act awkwardly, missing an opportunity to strengthen the bond. Confidence is key. Respond with subtle but natural gestures. A light squeeze, a warm smile, or a gentle touch on the lower back. Avoid seeming overly eager or nervous. Instead, let your body language convey quiet confidence. The next time a woman hugs you, pay close attention. That seemingly simple gesture might be speaking volumes, testing the waters, signaling interest, or inviting you to get closer. If you can read between the lines and respond with self-assurance, you'll never miss an opportunity again. What's the most telling sign of attraction in a hug, in your opinion? Drop a comment below.